Hey science explorers, and welcome back to PicoSpark's virtual science class. Today, we've got a super interesting question. What exactly does the spleen do inside our bodies? Have you ever heard of it? It's one of our amazing internal organs, but it doesn't get as much attention as the heart or the brain. So, let's dive in and give the spleen the spotlight it deserves. So, what is the spleen? Think of your spleen as your body's very own superhero shield. It's this soft, kind of purple organ that hangs out on the left side of your belly, just tucked away safely under your ribs. Even though it's small, it has two incredibly powerful jobs that keep you healthy and strong every single day. Let's break them down. Its first big job is protecting you from germs. Your spleen is constantly checking your blood as it flows through your body. If it spots any nasty germs, bacteria, or viruses trying to cause trouble, it jumps into action and fights them off. It's like having a top-notch security guard inside you, always on patrol to keep you safe from invaders. Without the spleen on duty, those pesky germs would have a much easier time making you feel sick. The spleen's second heroic duty is caring for your blood cells. Our blood is full of tiny cells, and the spleen acts like their personal doctor and manager. First, it stores extra blood cells, like a backup supply, just in case your body needs them. Second, it's a master at recycling. It identifies and removes old or damaged blood cells that aren't working properly anymore, keeping your bloodstream clean and efficient. And finally, if you ever need them, it can help make new blood cells, so it's basically the ultimate blood cell care center. To make this even easier, let's imagine your body is a giant magnificent castle. In this castle, your spleen is the brave knight standing guard at the main gate. This knight is always ready with a shield and sword. Its job is to fight off any bad guys. Those are the germs that try to sneak into the castle. But that's not all. This knight also makes sure the castle's army is in top shape. It takes away the old, tired soldiers, which are like your old red blood cells, so they don't slow everyone else down. By doing this, the knight ensures your blood army stays strong, healthy, and ready for anything. Now, how about a fun little activity you can try right now? Let's play the Germ Patrol game. Grab a few pieces of colored paper and cut them into circles. Let's say red circles are your healthy, good blood cells. Blue circles are the old, worn-out cells that need to be retired. And green circles are the sneaky germs. Now, mix them all up. Your job is to be the spleen. Sort them into 3 piles. A keep pile for the red circles, a remove pile for the blue circles, and a fight pile for the green circles. This is exactly what your spleen does all day, every day, to keep your blood perfectly healthy. Pretty cool, right? And here's a fun fact for you. From me, PicoSpark. Your spleen is like a tiny storage tank for blood. It can hold about 1 cup of blood at any given time. That might not sound like a lot, but for an organ of its size, it's a pretty impressive reservoir. Ready to help out whenever your body needs it? That brings us to our kids' question of the day. Can you live without a spleen? It's a great question, and the answer is yes, you can. Sometimes, if a spleen gets damaged, doctors might have to remove it. But because the spleen is so important for fighting germs, a person without one needs to be extra careful. Their body's defense system is a little weaker, so they have to take extra steps to avoid getting sick. Other organs, like the liver, will step in to help, but nothing replaces the spleen's superhero powers completely. And that's the scoop on the spleen! It's a small but mighty organ that acts as your personal bodyguard and blood cell manager. It's one of the many incredible parts of your body, working hard to keep you going. Thanks so much for joining our virtual science class today! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next amazing adventure. Until next time, stay curious.